All right, today we're reviewing the Dano's Outlaw Seasoning 6-bottle set. This is a bold barbecue seasoning collection that has 6 unique flavors. Those include the sweet and tangy barbecue, the spicy barbecue, the sweet Caribbean, the black and Bloody Mary, the butter steak, and the butter dust. Each of these bottles brings a pretty distinct, unique flavor profile with it that's great on different meats and veggies. We have the sweet and tangy barbecue. This one's great. This one's a rich and bold barbecue flavor. It does have a terramine twist to it. This one's great on pork and wings. You do have the spicy barbecue. This one's a little bit more, brings some more heat and sweetness, kind of in balance. This one's delicious on a lot of ribs and like salmon and steak. You've also got the sweet Caribbean. This is obviously more island inspired. It's got that sweetness and a little bit of warm spice. This one's really good on seafood and chicken. The black and Bloody Mary, this one's great on shrimp, steak. I've even put it on some popcorn. Works really well too on like cocktails. Like you can even put it in the Bloody Mary and give it a little bit more flavor if Bloody Mary blend that you're using isn't good enough. It'll spice it up. It's also really good on veggies and fish. Next up is the butter steak. This one gives you a little bit more of a creamy, savory butter garlic type of experience. I love this one on burgers. I absolutely love it on that. It's really good. And then you've got the butter dust. This one kind of gives you more of the buttery goodness, but more in that butter dust form. So this one's really good on, I put this on popcorn pretty much, but you can put it on really anything, veggies, potatoes, steak. Also, it kind of works similar to the butter steak flavor. But they're not just for barbecue. I mean, you put them on anything really. But if you do love bold, adventurous flavors and want to experiment with your grill or kitchen, I would say this set gives you that variety and quality in one package. As Dano says, yum, yum, get you some.